I have come out at 2:30 irritated at my own body. She's like, were you masturbating?
Because
That
I
is
am
true.
coming across like a bitch right now.
When did this become the rule कि किसी भी कोई तुम्हारी चीज पर लड़ाई हुई है और तुमने चैट जीपीटी को सवाल ठोक दिया?
And my horse flipped. I was sitting on it and वो ऐसे ऊपर कूदा.
Make me so mad. Make me so mad.
Hi, good morning.
ये enthusiasm बढ़ाओ.
Hi, good morning. Welcome to another episode of That's Just How We Talk.
In today's episode, we're going to discuss. We're going to wash our dirty linen in public, right? We're going to discuss fighting and fighting styles. I have an opening question. Why do we fight?
No, I have an opening question
What?
before your opening question.
Yes. What is the opening
Do
question?
you like fighting?
Okay, physically I can't fight. So this is a problem. Okay, I'm 6'3". So the thing is, I have intimidation factor. Not with everyone because I'm not buff. तुम्हें पता ही है. But I'm not like this big, right? But I have height. तो उसके कारण थोड़े टिंगुओं विंगुओं को तो मैं थोड़ा इंटिमिडेट कर सकता हूँ. बट उन्हें ये नहीं पता है कि मैं नॉन कॉन्फ्रंटेशनल हूँ और कि मैं एक्चुअली इफ पुश कम्स टू शव मैं फाइट नहीं करूँगा. जैसे मैं तुम्हें एग्जांपल देता हूँ. वन ऑफ द बिग टेल्स ऑफ व्हाई आई कांट फाइट फिजिकली इसकी आई वेयर ग्लासेस. ठीक है. एंड सबसे ज़्यादा ह्यूमिलिएटिंग चीज़ होती है जब तुम्हारी लड़ाई हो रही होती है. जैसे मेरे साथ एक बारी ना स्कूल में हुआ था. इट्स गुड यू जॉग माई मेमोरी. हेड बॉय और हेड गर्ल के इलेक्शन होने थे. ठीक है. तो एक बंदी थी हेड गर्ल जो उसको बनाना था. स्कूल वालों ने फुल नेपोटिज्म केस. वेरी अनडिजर्विंग. ओके, वेरी अनडिजर्विंग. तो आई वॉज वन ऑफ द पीपल who they also were considering for head boy at one point. Obviously, I didn't get it. Who they were considering, and then they asked me, "Ki, you know, what are your opinion on who the head girl should be, etc., etc." I don't know why they were asking all these prefects वगैरह नहीं होते थे क्लासेस के कि आप बताइए. तो मैंने बोल दिया कि मुझे नहीं लगता दैट बंदी डिजर्व्स इट. तो उसका एक बॉयफ्रेंड और वो स्कूल में होता है ना भाइयों का ग्रुप. You know, every girl has this 5 मुंह बोला brothers types. तो उन्होंने क्या किया? They pinned me back to the wall. ठीक है. एंड तो वो क्या करते हैं? they add when you wear glasses there is an extra humiliation beat before they actually beat you down.
तू प्रिपेयर करके आया है आंसर.
Shut up, मैं तुम्हें सच बता रहा हूँ.
ये मैं I wasn't ready for this.
तो-
I asked you a simple question.
तो उन्होंने
Do you
ऐसे-
enjoy fighting?
तुम पूरी स्टोरी तोड़ रहे हो. पूरी स्टोरी तोड़ रहे हो तुम. ऐसे थोड़ी होता है यार.
हाँ, बोल, बोल.
तुम ये क्या कंपटीशन है?
नहीं,
मेरी
मैं
स्टोरी
सोच रही
बेटर है कि
हूँ,
तेरी
मैंने तो
स्टोरी.
एक बहुत सिंपल क्वेश्चन पूछा. ये कहाँ से कहाँ शुरू हो गया? खत्म ही नहीं हो रही है ये स्टोरी.
अभी एडिट पे भी बर्बाद होगा ये. तुमने स्टोरी की.
बोल 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 तू. वो उसको गुस्सा आ गया. वो
हाँ.
आ
तो
गया.
पहले क्या किया ना 4-5 मुंह बोले भाइयों ने ना ऐसे मेरे को थोड़ा पिन कर दिया. ठीक है. उसके बाद वो ह्यूमिलिएशन बीट क्या होती है कि तुम्हें चांटा धरने से पहले ना पहले वो ऐसे ग्लासेस उतारते हैं तुम्हारी ऐसे करके. Fuck, I look very disgusting. It's too much light. तो पहले जैसे
चश्मा
उन्होंने
ने तुझे बचाया या?
नहीं तो पहले चश्मा उतारा तो उस मोमेंट पे ना तुम इमोशनली साइकोलॉजिकल वॉरफेयर में आप हार चुके हो. ठीक है. एज अ पर्सन हु वेयर्स ग्लासेस जब तुम्हारा चश्मा उतर गया थप्पड़ आने से पहले
I think
साइकोलॉजी
they were being considerate.
नो
चश्मे के साथ
नो
मारते
नो
तो
नो
और
नो
लगती.
अग्रीड. वो भी हो चुका है मेरे साथ. बट माई पॉइंट इज कि पहले जब उन्होंने ऐसे उतारा तो साइकोलॉजिकली मैं हार चुका था कि मैं कूटने पिटने वाला हूँ. लकीली हमारे कॉमन फ्रेंड्स भी थे जिन्होंने आके बचा लिया फाइट में. थैंक यू मंदिरज.
I first want to know why did you think that that girl was not deserving to be on the council?
यार टू
or-
बी ऑनेस्ट कि यार वो बताओ क्या होते थे सारे एवरेज स्कोर वाले वो 80% 81% वाले पर जो
Wow,
जान
you
पहचान
think
होते थे.
80% is like an average score?
हाँ. तो
You're
मतलब
judging people on the basis of marks.
बेस
and
देखो टू बी फेयर
you deserve to be hit only. तो इतना
टू बी फेयर जो हमारा हेड बॉय भी बना था उस साल स्कूल में द ओनली रीजन आई थिंक ही बिकेम हेड बॉय वो तबला बहुत अच्छा बजाता था. तो बिकॉज इट
तो
वाज
अच्छा है. I like this school. It was progressive. It wasn't
in
just
hindsight
dependent on
yes.
marks.
In hindsight yes. Now that I think about it, now that I'm an arts
और
person.
सबका अपना अपना नॉर्मल होता है.
अबे
गुरसेरत.
तुम एक पिक्चर देख के आए हो आमिर खान की.
किसी
तुम्हारे को
का
फालतू एक
80% आ
डायलॉग.
गया तो you think they are not deserving to be on
My-
the council?
that is
I
not a-
have to be honest. I wasn't ready for this long answer, and this is the
I was
first
just-
episode that we are shooting today, and I got so confused.
You just asked me, do you like fighting? I told you physical fights. I told you I cannot do physical fights.
And then you went on.
I told you a fucking story.
You must be great in business studies and SST.
Yes, I was actually. I was very good. Actually, I was very good. How did you know? I was very good.
How did I know?
95
I think now the world knows.
95 से कम नहीं आया मेरे बिजनेस स्टडीज
5 मार्क का क्वेश्चन पे you've given like a 20 मार्क आंसर.
देखो राइटर बनने का फायदा ही होता है कि एक फुद्दू सा प्रेमिस लेके उसको कहीं भी खींच लो.
एंड बता यार क्या
एंड
हुआ
कुछ नहीं.
फिर?
एंड में मेरे दोस्तों ने बचा लिया. वो फिर भी हेड गर्ल बन गई. और उस अब ये तुमने सही बात बोली कि मेरे को जज नहीं करना चाहिए था उस लड़के को जो बस तबला बजाता था, तो इसलिए हेड बॉय बन गया. इन हाइंडसाइट वी शुड सपोर्ट
अच्छा, उसमें भी तुझे प्रॉब्लम.
उस पे मेरे को प्रॉब्लम थी क्योंकि वो तो और भी उसके कोई 50-60% होते थे मार्क्स, वो तो और भी निकम्मा था. मैं कहा ये क्या तुम तबलचियों को बनाए जा रहे हो.
Till date मुझे पता ही नहीं था कि there is this side to you.
What?
Actually मुझे पता था. You have fought with me. This is reminding me
I'm
of
not
this
fought physically
one
with you.
fight which we had
If we have a
over this only. Where you
What?
think like some of like the people who I have interacted with are very dumb.
यार लिसन, आई कैन नॉट. मेरा एक थ्रेशोल्ड है. अब वो वेदर तुम उसको एकेडमिक थ्रेशोल्ड बोल लो या तुम इन जनरल वर्ल्डली वाइजनेस की बात बोल लो, कभी कभी नहीं बैठे आता है. दैट्स नॉट द पॉइंट.
तो फिर तू मेरे साथ क्या कर रहा है? मैं तो हिंदी में ऑलमोस्ट फेल होने वाली थी.
कि तुम तो सरदार नहीं हो ना, तुम्हें तो पंजाबी आनी चाहिए.
वो तो आती ही नहीं
वो
है
तो मेरे को
मुझे.
बिल्कुल नहीं आती. गाइस मैंने इसको 2-3 गिप्पी की मूवीज दिखा दी हैं, फिर भी
This
इससे
is
कुछ
called
हुआ नहीं.
karma, Gursimran. The thing we resent, we are faced with those things only in
देखो,
life. So
मेरे
मैं
को-
तुम्हें मिल गई.
नहीं.
Average.
नो देखो ये अभी तुम्हारे साथ मेरे को बताया क्या हुआ है. देखो मेरे को थोड़ी बताया गया था कि तुम ऐसे डम निकलोगे. तुमने जो तुम अपने आप को बोल रहे हो, तुमने मुझे पिच किया था आई एम CFA level 3. आई सेड वाह.
Which I am. I did not lie about it.
फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट पे कौन करता है फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट पे, पर मुझे थोड़ी पता था. तो इट विद टाइम तुम ऐसी बातें करने लग जाओगे. एनीवे द पॉइंट इज नॉट दैट. द पॉइंट इज फिजिकली I can intimidate
You
people.
look like someone who can fight, but you can't.
But I can't.
You've never hit anyone.
नहीं यार, मैंने
Would
लड़ाइयाँ
you like to? Is this like काश मैं इसको मार पाता?
थॉट इन माई हेड. नहीं, मैं एनिमल देख के वो इंस्पायर नहीं होता कि वाह 100 लोग चेप लिए. नहीं, मेरे को बिल्कुल नहीं हुआ. 2-3 times I fought, but those were all in school. Okay, एक टाइम बहुत फनी हुआ था. This one time there was a neighbor friend of mine. तो हम ना WWE खेल रहे थे. That time WWF रेसलिंग करते होते थे. This shit girls don't do.
तुम WWE खेल रहे थे?
हाँ, मतलब we were play fighting. Fighting, हाँ.
Not like वो trump cards
ट्रम्प कार्ड वाले नहीं, एक्चुअल फाइटिंग गद्दे गुद्दे लगा के. तो मेरे दोस्त ने गलती से मेरे को ही हिट मी इन द बैक ऑफ माई नेक. I don't remember how long I was passed out. I think I was passed out for like 15-20 minutes. So I've never had like good.
Passed out?
I was passed out. Next thing I remember मेरे को पानी पुनी पिला रहे हैं. So
ये play fighting थी तुम्हारी?
अरे WWE में कुछ भी हो सकता
How
है.
old
That's
were
why they say don't try this at home.
Yeah.
7th grade होगा या 6th
That's why
grade होगा.
like I used to play like nice घर kind of games.
You what were you? वाह देखो पेट्रियार्की के सपूत हो
I
तुम
know,
तो.
I know.
Second,
Non-violent.
what is नहीं wasn't there a guy who slapped some other person whose
Yeah.
name was the same?
Oh yeah.
What was this?
That was my ex-boyfriend.
Okay.
And this is what I was told, that he was so mad at me.
तो तुमने क्या
And
किया?
I wasn't there in college that day, so he wanted to maybe come and confront something or tell me something, and I wasn't there. But he was just mad at me.
Okay.
And there was this another guy in my college, and his name was Ushmeet.
Ushmeet.
तो उसने जाके उसको थप्पड़ मार दिया.
क्योंकि उसको स्मिथ नहीं मिली कॉलेज में,
उसको
तो
स्मिथ नहीं मिली.
उशमीत पिट गया.
उसने उशमीत को पीट दिया, and then they got suspended for 2 weeks.
तो वो कोलैटरल डैमेज जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ यू.
बेचारा.
उसको पता चला कि वो तुम्हारे कारण पिटा है, तुमने
I
डिस्कस
don't
किया.
know. नहीं, मैं जानती भी नहीं हूँ उसको यार.
और वो जानता
My
था?
friend called me कि तू कहाँ पे है? I was like where I work, maybe Starbucks or wherever I
क्योंकि
was.
कॉलेज तो तुम होगे नहीं.
मैं तब
Party
process
कर
कर
रहे
रही
थे.
थी अपना breakup and that this toxic relationship I was in. I used to be scared of being around this boy.
हाँ.
And the next thing I know is उसने ये कर दिया.
पर उसने ढूंढा
So
कैसे?
unbelievable.
Did he know who this guy
We
was?
knew there was a guy called Ushmeet. वो council में भी होता था. उसके 80% से ज़्यादा marks आए होंगे.
वाह.
I'm sure.
क्या बात है.
बहुत
मैं
बुरा
किसी
लगा.
अजय नाम के आदमी से इरिटेटेड हूँ तो मैं किसी दूसरे अजय को जाके तो नहीं चाटे धर दूंगा ना. ये क्या लॉजिक होता है?
तो वो तो लॉजिक तो उस इंसान में वैसे ही नहीं था ना.
मुझे लग रहा है दिस इज योर
He was problematic from head to toe.
दिस इज योर शिंडलर्स लिस्ट. आई डोंट थिंक आई कैन से
My
दैट.
Schindler's List.
कि वो बस नाम बना रहे लोगों के स्मिथ, उशमीत,
He's
अस्मित,
Schindler's List.
जितने भी, हाँ, कि जितने भी लोग हैं इन द सिमिलर विसिनिटी. उफ. बट डू यू एंजॉय फाइटिंग? You have to answer the
I
question you
have a
asked me.
friend, and
I
was,
asked you. I don't care about your friend.
no,
You don't enjoy fighting.
no. I think you are indifferent when it comes to fighting. I don't enjoy fighting because I know what the fight does to me.
What does the
Because-
fight do to you?
Because I'm an overthinker.
Yeah.
And if I fight or if I even upset someone else, I will keep thinking about it. My life will come to
An end.
a standstill, an end. हाँ, मैं आगे बढ़ ही नहीं पाऊंगी because I will overthink it so much. Now I've become better. But do you enjoy fighting?
Well, I've answered this question already. I don't like
It's a
fighting.
yes or no answer.
I am an inner Gandhian. I don't like fighting at all. And guess all the number of times I have fought. Who has initiated the fights in the last 8 years? Who has initiated?
I have.
Yeah, exactly. So
For
then,
someone who doesn't like fighting, I'm actually surprised. by the number of fights I have actually initiated.
है ना? एंड तो फिर मेरे को तुम
But
ये
the number is increasing at a decreasing rate.
that makes no sense. Is the number increasing or is the number decreasing?
Fights तो होंगी, but अब the space between two arguments,
Yeah,
that
that's
space
true.
is increasing.
That
ना?
is true. That is true. I hate
तुमने
arguing.
economics नहीं पढ़ा था, तुम्हारे 80% नहीं आए थे उसमें.
देखो मेरे को बस इतना पता है कि मेरे को ना फालतू की फाइट्स तो मेरे को वैसे ही नहीं समझ आती कि तुम्हारी मोस्टली फाइट्स काफी फालतू सब्जेक्ट मैटर पे होती है. दैट इज वाई. जैसे
कोई फाइट छोटी बड़ी नहीं होती गुरसम में. कोई प्रॉब्लम छोटी बड़ी नहीं होती.
ये कौन सी मूवी से उठा है? अभी तुम पिछले वाले
I
उसमें
was
सबका नॉर्मल होता है.
अभी सैड बैकग्राउंड म्यूजिक आ सकता है. फिर कोई फाइट छोटी बड़ी नहीं होती गुरसम.
होती है ब्रो. होती है.
Why I asked you this question was also because the other day I was meeting a friend
हाँ.
and something happened and he said कि यार मुझे तो ऐसी ही relationship चाहिए जहाँ पे drama हो. I said what do you mean by drama
हाँ.
हो? I said I don't like drama and all
हाँ.
now in my life. Earlier maybe I would just invite drama for no reason.
हाँ.
He said नहीं जैसे you fight and then you have makeup sex. यही करना है मुझे लाइफ में. And I want कि मेरी पूरी relationship ऐसी ही रहे. I'm like oh shit. This is like it's
ये
sounding so
कित-
hectic.
पहली बात तो ये तुम 18 साल के बच्चों के साथ हैंग आउट करना बंद कर दो.
18
कौन
साल
है
के
ये
नहीं
लोग?
था वो.
कौन है ये लोग?
30 years.
30 वाले.
Yeah.
इनकी कॉन्स्टिपेशन की किन नहीं हुई.
I don't know.
मेरे को ये लाइफ में कोई ड्रामा
What is
नहीं
the
चाहिए.
connection between constipation and not
मैं
fighting?
तुम्हें बताता हूँ. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल अब मैं 39 का हो गया हूँ, ठीक है. अगले साल में 40 का हूँ. मेरा लाइफ में बिगेस्ट इशू
Shit,
इज
you're only 40?
या माय बिगेस्ट इशू इज कॉन्स्टिपेशन. ओके. That is something I worry about. That is something around which I plan my day. Now, in the middle of this,
That's your biggest issue.
Now, in the
Shit, the privileged human that you are.
Look.
इसका biggest issue in life is.
देखो मैं पॉइंट इज कि
इसको potty नहीं आती.
अगर हमारी रात को 9 बजे लड़ाई हुई है किसी चीज को लेके और मुझे पता है कि 12 बजे मुझे लू जाना है, उसके बीच में मैं मेकअप सेक्स वगैरह कहाँ घुसाऊं. इट्स टू मच फकिंग ड्रामा. दिस इज जस्ट यंग पीपल थिंग्स कि वी रियली.
We have fought over this also that I
What?
don't know why he has to go and try to poop at 2 in the morning.
भाई my body cycle is my
Like
body.
it just doesn't
my
make
body
any
cycle.
sense.
My body
At
cycle.
2 in the morning you get up and you go in the
My-
toilet and you don't come out.
तुम न्यूट्रिशनिस्ट हो, तुम्हें पता होना चाहिए वो सर्केडियन रिदम और ये वो क्या है. अगर मैं 12 बजे दोपहर को उठ रहा हूँ.
तुमने ट्रेन किया अपनी बॉडी को बहुत गलत तरीके से कि तुम 2 बजे उठ के बाथरूम जाते हो.
This one time, okay, I'm fully constipated, okay, I'm terrible. I've had a bad day. I'm just like, I don't want to waste half an hour here. I have seen every reel imaginable in the loo. I have come out at 2:30, irritated at my own body. And she's like, were you masturbating? I'm like, bro,
Are you gonna put this question?
but it's true. लोगों को
करता क्या है अंदर?
लोगों को
Because you know what?
लोगों को पता तो चले लड़ाई क्यों होती है.
ये
बकवास.
लड़ाई तो नहीं थी. ये बस एक I just wanted to know कि ये लड़के बाथरूम में करते क्या है. Because listen, girls have it. I mean, I can at least like speak for myself. If I have to poop, I go inside. It's done in 30 seconds and I come out. I don't understand
तुम
how
जवान
you
हो.
have so much time. इतनी कोई जवान नहीं हूँ मैं. इतना टाइम कहाँ है लोगों के पास वेस्ट करने के लिए कि वो बाथरूम में 1-1 घंटे बस पड़े रहते हैं.
पाइल्स के नाम सुना है तुमने? पाइल्स के बारे में सुना है?
Piles हो जाता है if you continue.
My
with
point
this
is not that. My point is I am
masturbation habit of
when
yours.
जो bro
वो भी गरम है अंदर यार. ऐसा भी नहीं कि एसी वेसी कुछ है बाथरूम में.
ये मैंने डिबेट सोची हुई है क्योंकि आई वाज लाइक अगली बार से मैं आधा खुला छोड़ दूंगा ताकि इसको स्टिंक आता रहे ताकि ये मेरे पे ऐसे चीजें.
Please.
sorry apologies. This is
But
what
that's why you don't flush. ताकि मेरे को
no
दिख जाए.
don't even get me started
It's
on
so irritating. It is so irritating. I have gone inside and you haven't flushed.
don't even get me started. Your friends keep coming and leaving giant doodies in our loo and then it
No.
is blamed on me when you know I'm constipated and I would love to have such nice motion. Anyway, why are we discussing this in an episode on fights? We were supposed to be discussing fighting, bro. How did we go from do you enjoy fighting to this? What is going on? We have not eaten enough breakfast. That's the problem. तुम रो क्यों रहे हो यार? तुम रो क्यों रहे हो? इतनी खराब नहीं है. अगर मैं 2 बजे जा रहा हूँ तो मैं जा रहा हूँ. तो मैं जा रहा हूँ.
जाओ, please,
रो मत. लोगों को लगेगा कि मैंने तुम्हें चाटा मार दिया मिड कट. कि तुम्हारी आंखों में से इतना आंसू निकल रहे.
Okay.
Control yourself. Control
Oh my
yourself.
God, don't fucking mansplain me. How dare you tell me what to do?
Question is, what is the thing that I think this flows directly into our next question.
Yeah.
अभी भी ऐसा लग रहा है कि तुम बस रो के उठे
क्योंकि
हो
मैं रो रही थी,
बहुत
मुझे
ट्रॉमेटिक
मुझे इतना funny.
बेबी के लिए मेकअप ज्यादा बुलाए
This is
बेबी का मेकअप चेक कराए
नया.
what about what makes you angry about me when it comes to fight, like what is the things that piss you off about me because of which you fight with me? This is a good question.
I should have thought about it the way you thought about that 80%.
I did
answer
not
of
think
yours.
about that 80% thing.
Very
It's just
well
my brain went
prepared.
there.
You answer first. I will tell you.
Okay. What me?
angers? I want to know, considering you've never really fought with me.
What?
Actually, you have fought with me. This one time I had gone out with my friends and I came back home at like 1 in the morning.
Oh,
and
dude.
Gursimran thought I was very drunk.
Yeah.
And I wasn't drunk. And I just, he opened the door and I'm just standing there and I'm saying, hi, Gursimran. He's like, you're drunk, aren't you? And it's not like he cares if I'm drunk or not. He was only concerned about the fact that I would order food if I'm drunk.
I will tell you, this is what this, I don't know if we should put this in the other episode or this episode, but तुम्हारा क्या होता है कि because she is a nutritionist, सारा दिन मेरे को सुनना पड़ता है कि प्रोटीन पूरा करो, ठीक
Fiber
है,
also.
फाइबर खाओ, तुम फाइबर नहीं खा रहे इसलिए पड़े रहते हो, so सारा दिन तुम ये सुनते हो. जब तुम पी पा लेते हो पार्टीज में जाके, फिर जो
First of all, मैं इतना कोई पी पा नहीं लेती हूँ. Let's also make that very clear.
हाँ,
I'm a very
very
social
rare,
drinker.
very rare.
That's why I get drunk with one drink.
Yes, agreed. But on those days, the Zomato order between 1 a.m. and 4 a.m., we have had a legit argument about this. कि तुम बस करो, छः लोग हर 15 मिनट में, उसके बाद तुम कह रहे हो कि मैं नहीं खोलूंगी दरवाजा, तुम जाके दरवाजा खोलो, तो इरिटेशन तो होएगी ना आदमी को. दैट्स व्हाई आई गॉट पिस्ड ऑफ. हाउ डू यू थिंक आवर फाइटिंग स्टाइल्स हैव चेंज्ड व्हेन वी वर डेटिंग टू हाउ देव चेंज्ड नाउ? This is an
I don't
interesting
think your fighting style has changed.
because I was non-violent from the beginning. No, I don't think mine has changed, no?
Yeah, I think you are still the same, which is actually a problem if I think about it now.
Why? Do you want me to suddenly overnight learn Kung Fu and be like,
Not Kung Fu, but like the issues which I had with you back then,
Acha, like that.
I think those issues still remain.
That is true.
Now that even I am thinking about it.
Yeah.
I think I used to be very, very, very argumentative earlier.
Yeah.
And I would be loud.
Some things that don't change.
But I think that would also come from this whole thing of that the person is not understanding what I'm saying.
Huh.
So it would just, my brain would immediately go to over explaining. And in that over explaining, I would not even realize when I've become loud and can't you understand what I'm saying? Like I'm trying to say this. And I think I would just lead to feeling helpless and I would just start shouting in that whole rage of just wanting to be understood for some reason.
But I don't think that is there now.
Yeah, now that is not there.
Yeah.
I don't get triggered so easily also. Like earlier, I would get triggered a lot with a lot of things. I've become more secure and I think that is because of how our relationship has also kind of evolved in the last 8 years and you in general. Like, I think I've discussed this pehle also. You are the only relationship where I've actually realized what it means to be in a secure relationship. Every other relationship of mine has always been very volatile and all of that. So
The one your friend was saying, ki, I want to fight every day and have makeup sex.
I wasn't in a relationship with him.
No, I know. That's what your friend mentioned, I said.
But I think my fighting style
Fighting style.
has changed a lot because of how I have changed as a person. And I think that is also because I am more secure now in my relationships, whether it's you or other people. इसके लिए वो बदला है. Otherwise, वो बहुत ही I had too much baggage earlier, and it would come out in like weird ways. Okay, so when we first started dating, and I was right out of a very bad relationship. Still feel one thing about myself is that I've always been in relationships. I've never really been like alone and single. So I don't think
Yeah.
I ever got the time to actually work on myself and understand myself better. It's only now in the last few years that I have started doing that. So when we first started dating, I was carrying so much baggage of my previous relationship that anything with you would trigger me and it would make me feel like, oh, acha, this relationship will also end. So a very small thing, like if you would be traveling and मैं यहाँ पे हूँ and we haven't spoken for a day, my mind would immediately go to, अच्छा यार, this will not work out. He's going to leave me. He's not into me. He doesn't like me. You know. So and that would just make me spiral.
And I hate talking on the phone.
And you hate talking on
I
the phone,
hate
huh?
talking
And
on
it's
the
very
phone.
simple. But you function like that.
Yeah.
And I would be like, at least tell me where you are. At least message me good night. At least message me good morning. Now when I think about it, it sounds very silly. But back then,
It was a
if
big
I would
deal.
not get one good morning message, I would be like,
Was I sending you good morning
I don't
messages?
know, but I'm telling you how I would feel now. If
हाँ, sure. I'm
even with my ex-boyfriend, I think the same thing. That oh, इसको तो याद ही नहीं है कि मैं हूँ.
क्योंकि उसने एक दिन मैसेज नहीं किया तुम्हें.
हाँ यार.
Oh.
And then that's what I mean. So
Yeah.
a smallest thing like this would trigger me,
Yeah.
and it would I would feel like, okay, there's no love in this relationship, and I would take it out on you. You can't message me, or what, you're not into me, and I would maybe, and then every other small thing also would irritate me, and I would fight about it. I'm not that. Thank God, I'm not that person now. I think I've healed, and I've realized that, constant. You don't have to be constantly in touch with someone for that person to prove that they are into you or they love you.
Yeah.
And I think the love now to me means freedom. And I think I was the exact opposite of that in my
Somehow,
other
लेकिन मुझे नहीं,
relationships
लेकिन it's interesting to say that, but I don't remember ever feeling like you being cheap about this or shit like that. But it might be in your
was,
head.
And because you never made me feel like that, that's
I'm
why
sure मैंने
I
इस
felt
पे
very
तो लड़ाई,
comfortable.
I'm sure मैंने इस पे तो लड़ाई करी
करी है.
होगी तुमसे कि यार तुम फोन पे कितना बात करेंगे, नहीं हो रही मेरे से
It's
बात.
many smallest things where I would just be like, okay, I don't want to talk to you. Okay, you can just go back, go away. I don't want to be with you. And I would fight with you over that. Do you remember?
Yeah,
There
yeah.
was this one time when you were like, I have had it. Ismeet, if you don't want to be with me,
Oh yeah,
then
I remember
if
this.
one more time you say I will break up with you or you leave, I
Yes.
will actually leave. And you actually didn't talk to me for one day. And that's when I realized that, okay, Ismeet, what are you saying? Like, why are you pushing people away? Like, I don't mean for you to
True.
like go away. I don't mean for you to not talk to me or leave me or break up with me. But why am I saying these things? It's again a way where I'm wanting that reassurance that the other person will not leave and he will come back. But
This
it was very
is-
toxic because you gave me no reason to actually feel that you are not there.
I remember this is when we were dating, and so we hadn't started living together, and we'd had this some argument like this where Ismeet just ended up going, I don't care, I don't want to be here anymore, I'm going to leave.
I was
I'm
at
going
Gursimran's house.
in my house, and I'm going to leave.
And I'm leaving, and I'm almost out of the door, and I'm hoping कि ये मुझे रोकेगा, like
हाँ.
I'm Simran और ये Raj मुझे
हाँ,
रोकेगा,
and I'm
पलट or
like-
something, and he tells me, Ismeet, wait, and I'm like, okay, yes, he will say sorry, and I turn back, and he gives me his laptop, take this also, what if you get some office work, and I was like, oh my God, are you for real?
My point is this I
You
remember.
were okay with me leaving the house.
My point at that particular point of time was कि अगर तुम कह रहे हो कि जाना है तो जाओ, अगर तुमने रहना है तो रहो. What is this?
Is it a girl guy thing though? That do our brains work very differently? Like, are you very simple like that? And if you like take everything, on face value, and if you're saying this, that means you mean it.
It's possible because if I were to say कि I'm leaving, I'm gonna like leave.
And
Okay.
then if I try to stop you, would that irritate you?
It can. It would be. I'd be like, no, if I need to process, I don't want to think right now. I'm going to go. I'm going to bounce. It's like for you now, which is what it is very confusing. I remember अब मेरे को याद आ रहा है कि पहले I used to get very confused कि अब मेरे को करना क्या
You
है?
would walk on eggshells.
हाँ.
I remember you telling me.
हाँ, I'm like, am I supposed to stop you? Because if I
Yeah, I told you you're supposed to stop me. I need reassurance.
हाँ, ये मेरे को initially थोड़ी पता था. This I only found out later ना कि अच्छा अच्छा.
No, I'm asking this is also like right now what you're telling me is if I'm saying I'm leaving, I genuinely want to leave, and if I try stopping you, that would irritate you.
Yeah.
But I would not see like this.
Yeah.
My brain would go into I should stop him because otherwise he will think that I don't care.
Care.
And that's why I will message you after 6 hours. Are you sure you don't want to talk? I am
Yeah.
still here. Because then in my mind, it's like, Acha, I need to show, which is actually very wrong. Like, why do I need to perform?
Correct. एक argument हुई थी हमारी, and this is just a Mumbai thing. I feel. I think एक बारी तुम लड़ाई कर लो, especially when you're
I
living
was
in the
talking
same
about
house.
when I went that side.
हाँ, तो what is that film? Kumbhalangi Nights. What is that Fahad Fasil movie? Kumbhalangi Nights, right? So Ismeet and I have had an argument about something like this only, something dumb. right? And she's just like furious. She's like, I'm gonna go, okay? And then she just looks around, and then she just goes and stands in the corner of the room. जैसे वो कुंभला की राइट से फहद फासिल का जब वो बाइपोलर क्या whatever
मुझे नहीं
personality.
समझ आ रहा कहाँ
I'm
जाऊँ?
like, what the fuck? It looked like छोटे होते punishment नहीं देते बच्चों को, जाओ कोने में खड़े हो, face the wall.
Yeah.
And I'm like, what the fuck is happening? Is this some new disorder I
And
have
I think he
unlocked?
laughed also for like a second.
I laughed.
was like, I don't know where to go. There is no space.
क्योंकि तुम
I'm stuck. I'm feeling so stuck.
क्योंकि तुम दिल्ली में होता तो तुम दूसरे रूम में जा सकते हो.
नहीं, यहाँ पे मैं नहीं-
यहाँ पे भी हैं
मैं
रूम्स.
नहीं गई पता नहीं क्यों.
But I don't know why. I think maybe वो just like उस रूम में क्या करूँगी, उस रूम में पीछे वो डर जाएगी, बेडरूम में मैं I'm sick of going. एक बारी मेरे साथ हुआ था, I don't know which argument, and this we had a fight after we had gone out somewhere. तो रात को 1 बजा था. It was very funny. I don't think I told you. तो I was like, I'm gonna go into the living room. I don't want to be in this room. ठीक है? And I came out and I was like lying down in the living room, and mentally I had this moment कि oh, ये काउच तो बेड से बहुत ज्यादा कंफर्टेबल है. मेरा अभी यहाँ ही सोने का मन कर रहा
तो
है.
सो गया होगा. I'm
सो भी क्या
So we
होगा?
have also fought over this, that there is an argument which is happening, and he goes out or whatever it is. We don't talk for 10 minutes, and the next thing I know is he's snoring. He's sleeping.
But the arguments really take a lot out of you, yaar. It's not easy.
It's the most irritating feeling ever, because here I am, I can't sleep, I can't function, and you are happily, you are in your REM cycle probably, or whatever. You are like seeing butterflies in your dreams.
You know
and
what's the worst part? This fight I was telling you about ना, एक तो कभी-कभी मैं सो जाता हूँ. एक बारी
कभी कभी नहीं, तू हर बार सो जाता है.
एक कभी-कभी वो, और एक बारी तुम रूम में थे और मैं बाहर आ गया था लिविंग रूम में, एंड लिविंग रूम में है हमारी प्ले स्टेशन पड़ी हुई. ठीक है? और मैंने बड़ी देर से गेम खेली खुली नहीं हुई थी. तो आई रिमेंबर गोइंग, अब तो स्मिथ रूम में है, अभी मेरे से सड़ी भी हुई है, 2-3 घंटे का विंडो है मेरे पास प्ले स्टेशन खेलने का. ठीक है? तो मैंने गेम ऑन कर दी. मैं खेल रहा हूँ,
okay.
पर मेरी फट भी रही है कि इफ इन द मिडल ऑफ दिस, इफ बाय सम मिरेकल यू डिसाइड कि नहीं मेरे को इससे अभी बात करनी है, आई एम गोना वॉक आउट, एंड शी सीज मी एंड प्लेइंग कॉल ऑफ ड्यूटी और सम शिट.
It's like something like this, right? Now I understand now that
हाँ.
yeah, you can have a disagreement.
Correct.
You can take your space, and whatever you want to do in that space is up to you.
Yeah.
It's fine.
Yeah.
Just because you're playing a video game does not mean you don't care.
Care, huh?
But this Ismeet 8 years ago,
years ago,
I
I
would
lost
have
her
lost
shit.
my mind that, oh my god, you're doing this and here I am crying. But that's my coping.
Yeah.
That doesn't necessarily need to be like
Yeah,
your
yeah.
way of reacting also.
Correct.
However, I want to tell you, I was talking to ChatGPT, my new best friend.
Oh my
And
fucking God.
you know, in the Bible it says,
द बाइबल.
yeah, बाइबल में कहा है कि
तुम
आपको
कह रहे थे मैं प्रिपेयर करके नहीं आई हूँ, तुम वर्स रेडी करके आए हो.
बाइबल में कहा है that आपको कभी भी
हिंदी में बोला है.
नहीं
कि कौन सी व्याख्या देख रहे हो तुम?
बताती हूँ, you should always reconciliate before sleeping.
हमारे कल्चर में क्या कहा गया है पता है कुछ? कल्चरली आउट ऑफ टच जो हम
क्या?
दोनों हैं. मुझे क्या पता, मुझे भी नहीं पता. बाइबल says, I was just reading the Bible last night while having matcha, and it just suddenly gave me a life lesson that I should not. मैं जो घोड़े बेच के सोता हूँ लड़ाई के बाद, क्या मैं अगले दिन ठीक नहीं होता?
मैं तुझे एक्सेप्ट कर लेती हूँ ऐसे, अब मैं बदल गई हूँ ना.
एक बारी मुझे याद है, पता नहीं ये one of these arguments only when we were dating. The funny, I just remembered some argument had happened, and I was like, for one time I had flipped it on you. Because usually you were always like, I'm leaving the house. Like when I give you the laptop and all.
This is also, I have changed this.
Yes.
ये मैंने बोल दिया ना.
हाँ, of course.
No, because once or twice I've actually left the house also.
But listen, those led to some great moments.
Of you getting enough time to play your video game.
Not just that.
Tell me honestly, when I left the house and for those 5-6 hours, तू क्या करता था घर पे?
देखो इसकी 2 स्टोरीज हैं. ठीक है, 2 स्टोरीज हैं. चल पहले मेरे को लगा था हम एज अ सेगमेंट करेंगे, पर मैं बोल देता हूँ. 2 बारी हो चुका है वेयर शी हैज डिसाइडेड कि आई एम गोइंग टू लीव द हाउस. ठीक है, एक बारी तो पहले तो मैं टेक्स्ट कर रहा था ऐसे कि कहाँ है.
And ये सब रात को ही होता है, रात के 1 बजे.
This is
And this is advantage of
this is
Bombay.
Mumbai. This
हाँ.
is exactly मैं बोलने वाला था.
दिल्ली में
दिल्ली में
मैं
नहीं ये
कभी
सब
नहीं निकल
चलता.
पाती.
दिल्ली में you can't be like 1 बजे मैं रात को निकल रही हूँ. तुम्हारी फट जाएगी, तुम वापस आ जाओगे. This is Mumbai. She is like I'm leaving. ठीक है. Now For 1 hour, I'm messaging her कि कहाँ है ये वो वापस आ जाओ whatever, we'll resolve it जो भी है. Then at around 3 in the morning, ठीक है, she's like, I'm in a hotel. I'm coming. I'm like, which hotel? You had gone in because I think उस time पे depending on bank balance, it's not even कि तुम Marriott में जाके रह रहे हो, मस्त रह रहे हो.
Bava International.
Bava International Hotel in hell next to the airport. I'm like, okay, and I'm like, you want me to come over? She's like, हाँ, I'll come over.
And it was very funny when they asked me आपको क्या double bed, single occupancy, double. I said क्या पता गुरसत में ना ही जाए तो double occupancy. I actually took a double occupancy room.
रात को 3:30 बजे मैं पहुंचा हूँ होटल. हमने मंगाया रूम सर्विस में बटर चिकन. Bro, it is one of the best butter chickens we've had in the city. Now I don't know if it's because हमें लड़ाई की हुई थी तो वो बहुत मस्त लग रहा था कि बाबा
जैसे लोगों का ब्रेकअप मेकअप सेक्स होता है, हमारा मेकअप
butter
बटर चिकन.
हाँ, तो I don't know if it was that or if it was just कि बाबा बहुत मस्त बटर चिकन बनाता है. एंड तुम्हारे पास उन्होंने तुम्हारे को वो बियर के कूपन्स भी दिए थे जो तुम चेकआउट कर रहे थे, तो उन्होंने बोला था मैम प्लीज व्हेन यू कम नेक्स्ट टाइम यू कैन रिडीम देम. एंड आई एम लाइक ओके, नेक्स्ट टाइम हमारी लड़ाई होगी. एक तो हुआ ये बॉम्बे में.
सर तूने करा क्या वो 4-5 घंटे?
यार मैंने पहले 1 घंटा में मैंने टेंशन ली होगी. उसके बाद जब तुमने मुझे बोल दिया होगा कि मैं होटल में हूँ, मैंने सोचा होगा ठीक है होटल में है तो सेफ ही है, तो क्या टेंशन है, तो आराम से गेम गूम खेली होगी. मैं आई नोइंग मी आई वुड हैव स्टार्टेड वर्किंग एंड डिस्ट्रैक्टेड माई सेल्फ विद वर्क. दैट इज जस्ट माई मोडस ऑपरेंडी इन फाइट्स इज मेरे को नहीं सोचना इस चीज के बारे. आई एम गोइंग टू गो टू वर्क. आई थिंक यूजुअली दैट इज माई डिफॉल्ट रिस्पॉन्स. But
no, your default response again, because we're talking about my fighting style and we
Yeah.
haven't discussed your fighting style,
my default fighting style is becoming mean.
is becoming mean and
Yeah.
revenge. And
Yeah.
I think that's where I feel even more helpless. And I'm like, you are so hurtful.
Yeah.
I'm loud, but I don't say hurtful
True.
things.
You are very loud, but I use all my writer capabilities in all the arguments, all the improv, all the punchline practice, and all past trauma collectively melts into one very cutting and biting "fuck you" kind of statement.
Yeah.
That is
and that makes it worse.
that makes it worse.
And why do two people see arguments are
तुम
healthy?
check करो.
देख बाद में arguments are healthy when two people are fighting to resolve the fight.
Yeah.
And that's what I keep telling you. Resolve. Understand me.
Okay, and my theory is and I could be wrong, though I've discussed this in therapy, is that because kid of divorced parents, used to living alone, so used to navigating conflict also alone, and used to not having to talk and discuss things out. It's usually just okay, put it inside you and just resolve it yourself no matter what the situation, right? So I feel like I go back into my default response, which was like what I learned as a kid. And my learning as a kid was per se never to resolve. It was just, okay, internalize it and put a brave face and sort of move on with life and go back to work or go back to studies when I was a kid. So
and this has happened with us also. Like, अगर कुछ लड़ाई हुई है, next day you are okay with things and we don't talk about
Yeah.
things. And I think why it's a problem for me is because that's also how my parents and we have dealt with a lot of our arguments.
But no, this is true. I think this is an Indian family thing that you don't end up resolving, right? You just end up pretending it didn't happen and you sort of move on.
Yeah.
And I feel like that is, but I also feel like, man, our parents are also just human. No? They're also learning. They're also struggling.
Yeah, that's okay.
What does the Bible say about
I will
how
check.
parents? You're checking now.
I will ask
You're checking
ChatGPT.
ChatGPT. Oh my
Hi
fucking god.
ChatGPT, can you tell me if the Bible says anything about how one should argue or solve fights with parents? Is it healthy to discuss arguments or to just ignore them? Did I say it right?
एक तो ये नया चोचला इसका चालू हो गया अभी कि अभी हमारी कोई भी आर्ग्यूमेंट होती है.
Oh guys, yes.
Cool.
बहुत बड़े आंसर्स आ गए हैं.
I don't know why this became so commonplace.
Yes, the Bible actually gives a lot of guidance on how to handle disagreements with parents, though it doesn't
Maria.
frame it like a how to win an argument manual. The focus is usually on respect, humility, and reconciliation, not on ignoring conflict.
ठीक है.
Honoring your parents is a core principle. Honor your father and your mother.
Exactly. तुम यहाँ bitching कर रहे हो podcast पे, उनकी bitching कर रही है. Mom, dad, देखो आपकी. Who is the better?
Reconciliation matters more than winning. गुरसिमरन तेरे लिए है ये. Reconciliation matters more than
तो हम
winning.
रिकंसाइल तो कर ही लेते हैं ना.
वो मैं अगले दिन आके तुझे बोलती हूँ, see me, understand what I'm trying to say. And now I have started doing this, like whenever we are having a very very heated argument, and ये भी चुप नहीं होता है, ऐसा नहीं कि तू चुप
हाँ,
हो
of
जाता है.
course,
मैं
of
बोल रही हूँ
course.
छोड़ दे मेरे को. अब मैं बोलती हूँ मेरे को 5 मिनट रहने दे, 5 मिनट मुझे छोड़ दे. And then I tell him, I want you to actually sit with yourself, Gursimran, and introspect for 10 minutes. Introspect. And I don't think you do that because you are focused on winning the argument rather than reconciling.
फर्स्ट ऑफ यू टेल मी व्हेन डिड दिस बिकम द रूल कि किसी भी कोई तुम्हारी चीज पर लड़ाई हुई है और तुमने चैट जीपीटी को सवाल ठोक दिया है. आई हैव legit been thinking कि she is going to be.
I think we can discuss that fight.
Which
so we
fight?
had gone to Sri Lanka
Yes.
and we have booked an Airbnb and we can discuss your.
Yeah.
We had booked an Airbnb and it says it's a premium Airbnb and we reached and website पे लिखा है कि आपको सब कुछ provided होगा. And now I can't sleep without a blanket. Even right now I'm sitting with this.
बीबी को ब्लैंकेट चाहिए.
I can't sleep without a blanket and we have reached this Airbnb रात के 11 बजे and room में blankets नहीं थी. There was no bed sheet, there was no
There was bed
linen,
cover.
bed linen. Please. So I told him that can we just
तुम्हें चाहिए था
check?
कंफर्टर.
Blanket नहीं
पतली
थी.
चद्दर थी.
नहीं थी. कुछ नहीं थी. झूठ मत बोल.
पतली चद्दर नहीं थी.
कुछ भी नहीं थी.
अच्छा मुझे याद है.
हाँ.
ओके.
क्योंकि वो ठीक है. It was not cold. The weather was not cold.
It was in 35 degrees. It was warm as shit.
Fine. It was warm as shit. But if I'm used to having like a blanket or something on top of me, I can't sleep without it. And I think a lot of people can relate with this also.
पता नहीं.
Do you guys need blankets? See, they're both of them are saying
Oh
yes.
my god, ये producers ने तुमने पैसे खिलाए हुए हैं. Producers को भी सारे
And now अब 11-12 बज गए वहाँ पे and I told him that एक बार please owners को पूछ ले if they can send us some blankets. And anyway, अगर आपके website पे लिखा है that ये सब आपको देंगे, is it wrong for me to just ask them, hi guys, there is no blanket, can I just get one blanket?
And by this time it is 1 in the morning, so I have 12 at midnight, and I have messaged them and they've not replied, and I'm like यार वो गोरों की आदत है 7 बजे सोने की.
मैंने
डिनर
से
खा
बोला
के
कॉल करना एक बारी और इसने मुझे झूठ बोला कि हाँ मैंने कॉल
मैंने करा था. झूठ नहीं बोला था.
I
करा
said
था.
मैसेज कर. तूने कहा था हाँ कर दिया है.
हाँ,
बट
they didn't reply.
knowing you because he's so non-confrontational. इसका मैसेज भी super polite था. इसका मैसेज कुछ वो नहीं था that we really need the blanket and if there is no reply then you call them because it's something which is expected. मैं सोऊंगी कैसे रात
And this
को?
Airbnb, one more setup to set up context, is in the middle of nowhere. Okay, I'm forgetting which part of Sri Lanka, but आसपास कोई बस अड्डा भी नहीं है, तो वो बेचारे स्कूटियों पे आते हैं अपने घर से 10 किलोमीटर दूर
But
से.
it's a premium Airbnb. So now we are having a fight where I'm like, यार this is wrong. I need a blanket. ये इतने पैसे भरे हैं, blanket तो होना चाहिए. And he said that just stop it. It's not a very big deal. You can sleep without a
कल
blanket.
सुबह आ जाएगा.
So then I used ChatGPT.
एंड चैट जीपीटी से पूछ रही है हु इज राइट, एम आई राइट और इज गुरसिमरन राइट. लंबे लंबे ऐसे सुनाए जा रहे हैं चैट जीपीटी को कि आई फेल्ट दिस एंड देन ही डिडंट डू दिस एंड देन ही डिडंट लिसन टू मी एंड देन ही इज वेरी पोलाइट एंड व्हाट इज देयर बीइंग यूक्रेनियन से उनका क्या लेना देना, हमें तो चद्दर चाहिए. व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस, आई एम सेइंग नहीं ये ब्लैंकेट है, नो व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द कंफर्टर.
He
रात
was
को
agreeing with me.
चैट जीपीटी विल एग्री विद यू, ऑब्वियसली विल एग्री विद यू. तुम्हारे 2000 रुपए डल रहे हैं उसके हर महीने में.
मैंने तेको वेबसाइट में भी दिखाया था कि वेबसाइट पे लिखा हुआ है ऑल बेड लिनन एंड आई आस्क्ड ChatGPT के बेड लिनन का मतलब क्या होता है, मुझे सब बताओ. एंड
The bigger issue is कि तुम हर फाइट में चैट जीपीटी का सहारा लेना बंद करो.
अब मैं नहीं लेती. अब
तुम-
मैंने रियलाइज कर दिया है. There was also another argument which I had with a friend. So I obviously spoke with ChatGPT about my side of the story and ChatGPT
Gave you,
sided
yes.
with me. In the morning,
Yes.
I'm like, ये मेरे को ठीक नहीं लग रहा है. Because I also tell ChatGPT, listen, I want you to not be biased and give me both sides of the story. And he gave me, no, everything I'm telling you after talking to you for 3-4 months and knowing
Yeah.
how you are and your personality.
Knowing your
so
comforter
trust me.
needs.
ChatGPT is telling me to trust him. Because I have that male voice, that's why I call him, it, whatever.
Okay.
But the next day in the morning, I'm like, नहीं मुझे कुछ ठीक नहीं लग रहा. So I remember I took your phone.
Yeah.
I took his phone and I pretended to be the other person. And I narrated the whole fight from the POV of that friend of mine. And he was taking that friend का side.
तो ये तुम्हें पता नहीं था वैसे इन जनरल, ये तुम्हें पूरी एक्सपेरिमेंट करनी पड़ी जस्ट टू अंडरस्टैंड कि चैट जीपीटी बना रहा तुम्हारा.
He was bitching about me. And what about sharing passwords?
Sharing passwords I out of principle disagree on. but I think that is still okay.
Oh, sharing passwords से मुझे एक और fight याद आ गई. So
कौन
even
सी?
I agree that we should not share passwords.
हाँ.
But I wanted his Netflix password, guys.
Out of principle.
We had started dating.
Out of principle.
2-3 महीने हुए हैं यार. मैं अपना Netflix password ना एक stranger को भी दे दूंगी यार कि तुझे शो देखना है तो देख ले. He refused to give me his Netflix password. After I've been seeing him for like 6 months, what would
अभी
I
सडनली
do?
तुमने इसी फाइट के अंदर 3 मंथ से 6 मंथ्स कर लिया. मैं
ठीक है,
देख रहा हूँ तुम्हें.
3, 6, whatever. Point is, the love was there. The love was very strong.
But my
you wanted to marry me, but you did not want to give me your Netflix.
Out of principle.
Was it the name of your ex-girlfriend? or
नहीं
something?
यार,
तो
are
फिर
you
ऐसा
mad?
क्या था उस पासवर्ड में?
Honestly, knowing me, मैंने वो strong password option करी होगी. मुझे भी नहीं घंटा याद होगा कि वो क्या वो 36 point वाला वो होता है.
Now we share our Netflix and
Everybody share.
everything.
You know, speaking of Netflix, this has
But tell me why? What out of principle? ऐसा क्या
in
था?
my I don't know, I don't remember. I'm pretty sure it was quite dumb or quite stupid only.
Hmm.
यहाँ तो पता है क्या हुआ होगा. यहाँ तो मुझे हुआ होगा कि because I am also lazy. मेरा एक password is my password for
हमने fight
everything.
करी थी इस चीज पे.
हाँ, and
क्योंकि
my
मैं-
stance
वहाँ पे
was
मेरा
this
trust
only.
issue फिर से ignite हो गया था कि यार ये तो बहुत ही innocuous चीज है.
Stupid सी
Netflix
चीज है.
password नहीं दे रहा है. What is your take on this? That we all obviously have
Sharing passwords?
No, not this, but through this, we have principles, and as we are aging, we're becoming even more rigid when it comes to the things we want, things we
Yeah.
don't want, things we are okay with, things we're not okay with. Do you think we should be a little flexible with some of our principles and these rigidities that we have in life?
Yes.
Nice answer.
Thank
You
you.
get nothing for this now.
No.
You should have shared your password with me back then.
पता है तुमने नेटफ्लिक्स पासवर्ड मुझे याद दिला दिया. एक बार मेरे साथ ये चंडीगढ़ में हुआ है. ठीक है. चंडीगढ़ में मैं माउंट व्यू होटल में था. माउंट व्यू होटल वन ऑफ द बेस्ट होटल्स इन चंडीगढ़. ओल्ड 5-star होटल. अब थोड़ा वो हो गया है, बट मैं शो करने गया हूँ. मैं रूम में वेट कर रहा हूँ. मैंने मंगाई है रूम सर्विस में चाय. दरवाज़ा खटखटाया. मैं फ़ोन पे शो देख रहा हूँ नेटफ्लिक्स पे. आई डोंट रिमेंबर कौन सा. वेटर आके देख रहा है मेरे फ़ोन को. कहता भाजी नेटफ्लिक्स है ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ. मैं कहा हाँ. कहता पासवर्ड दे दूंगी मैं शो देखने से.
मैं तो दे देती.
आई वाज लाइक क्या ब्रो. रूम सर्विस का मतलब ये नहीं है कि मैं तुम्हारे को दे रहा हूँ कि भाई ये ले प्राइम पे भी ये देखना है तो ये देख ले. सोनी लिव
बेचारा,
पे
दिया
यार
तूने नहीं दिया.
नहीं. आई एम लाइक व्हाट द
अच्छा है,
फक इज.
अगर तू मुझे बोलता कि उसने दे दिया, मैं बोलती तो उसको दे सकता था और मुझे नहीं.
नहीं वो तो बहुत ही खराब हो जाता. ब्रो सुपर रैंडम. आई थिंक देयर आर 2 more fights of ours that I want to bring up. One, you got really mad at me at our honeymoon. You got really mad. Okay,
You
and
know what? I'm realizing something that I think we should discuss some fight where even you got like mad at me or something which is funny or something which is like silly or unreasonable, because
That is
I am
true.
coming across like a bitch right now.
that's true. Look, she is not that, and honestly, most of it,
Because if you don't say this, I will leave the house.
no. Most of these have been fairly innocuous. I think the word fight also lends to it a bigger sense of gravitas than it actually has. So, for example, what happened at the honeymoon in my head is not a fight, right? But it's just a super. So we
I
have.
think I was in my luteal phase that time.
What is this luteal phase? Every time you're around your periods, this luteal phase comes
You
up.
tell me what is the luteal phase.
I just know that it's the time
should
when you
know.
start.
Every person should know.
You start going little cray cray around this. Sorry, I know this is very.
You will
Am I allowed to say it?
No.
I don't know what that is. I
So
don't.
convenient. You
I-
want babies, but you don't care about what phases.
I don't think I want
menstrual
babies.
cycle phases.
I don't think
men,
I want.
Men.
अच्छा
in
men तो
general.
men को बोलो. मेरे को क्यों देख रहे हो? इधर
But
देख के
in
बोलो
general
तुम.
बोल
मेरे
रहे
को
हो.
देख के क्यों बोलो? इधर देख के बोलो. Anyway,
Last 15 days before our first day of the period, that's the luteal phase.
अभी तो मतलब तुम्हारा अभी तो मर्क्यूरी रेट्रोग्रेड भी चल रहा था. तो दोनों गांड मार. तुम्हारे दिमाग की तो गांड मर गई होगी.
सबका चलता है मर्क्यूरी
Retrograde
रेट्रोग्रेड,
और
सिर्फ
luteal.
लड़कियों का नहीं चलता है.
Whatever.
आजकल कुछ लायंस गेट पोर्टल वोटल भी चल रहा है वैसे.
हैं?
I don't know, I saw on Instagram.
वो तो ऐप है. कोई देखता नहीं है.
नहीं,
Lionsgate,
there is
छोड़ो.
some other lions gate portal.
अच्छा, whatever.
Something.
So we had gone to Iceland. Okay, right after we got married.
Please, let's give context, okay? Otherwise, I will come across as a bitch.
Yes.
First of all, I didn't want to go to Iceland for our honeymoon because who goes to Iceland after a hectic wedding celebration?
Lovely people.
I don't like winters so much. I wanted to do a chill vacation like a Bali, but he was hell bent upon going to Iceland, which is like 7 planets away from where we stay. So I was very irritated with that whole thought only. And then वो vacation नहीं but school trip ज़्यादा लग रही थी, where every 6 hours we were traveling from one city to the other, to the other, to the other. There was not one day where I could actually breathe and I had time.
We
to
were in
just
Reykjavik for
relax.
3 days.
But बहुत ठंड थी यार, बहुत ठंड थी, बहुत wind थी, and I don't have too many winter clothes, but just for Iceland, his Masi had given me one parka. Now I was wearing that parka every day for 11 days. And in my head I'm like, oh my god, wedding holiday hai, अलग-अलग कपड़े पहनेंगे, मजा आएगा, but I am just in that parka. Now after 11 days he has spilled one cappuccino on that parka and I'm still wearing it. One time you spilled hot chocolate on that parka and I was still wearing it, and then every 2 hours we are seeing a waterfall. So I was just
तुम्हारा डे
irritated.
तुम्हारा डे 9 पे तो
मुझे
एक और
waterfall-
वाटरफॉल.
मैं ऐसे बैठी रहती थी वो बस में यार, मैं नहीं देख रही, तू जाके देख क्या वाटरफॉल. आई डोंट केयर अबाउट वन मोर
तुमने
वाटरफॉल.
वेल्स देखी, तुमने नॉर्दर्न लाइट्स देखे.
Northern Lights also is a fight actually if you think about it.
नहीं, we didn't have an argument on
3
fight.
घंटा हम बस में गए वो कहीं पे देखने के लिए. And I know it's like this amazing phenomena and people का bucket list में होता है कि at least once they want to experience it, but we didn't experience anything. We saw that light flash like lightning ही बोल
हाँ,
like for like 2 seconds. 2 seconds we saw it and everyone's like, oh my god, wow, ऐसा कुछ था नहीं उसमें. For like 4 hours of travel in -1 degrees in that cold and all that. Anyway, so you can give your take.
मुझे ये लगता है कि ऑब्वियसली उन्होंने हमें पहले ही बोल दिया था फर्स्ट ऑफ कि देखो लाइट रीडिंग बहुत कम है, मुझे नहीं लगता हम नॉर्दर्न लाइट्स हमें दिखेंगी, बट ऑब्वियसली आप ऐसे दे चुके तो आप चलो
Yeah.
वहाँ पे. एंड इट वाज वेरी नाइस क्योंकि अंधेरे में यू कुड हियर द ऑर्कास आल्सो, यू कुड हियर देम देयर साउंड्स. यू
मुझे
व्हेन
पता ही नहीं ऑर्कास क्या होते हैं. क्या होता है ऑर्कास?
वेल, पता है वेल?
अच्छा तो वेल बोल. दिस इज लाइक एन आलिया भट्ट मोमेंट.
वो पूरा पॉडकास्ट आलिया भट्ट मोमेंट ना हो जाए, मेरी तो वो फट रही है.
Did you guys know orcas क्या होता है?
हाँ.
Shiramoy will obviously know. You did not know, na, what an orca is.
या
Anyway.
बस फट गई.
I know okra. You know okra?
हाँ, भिंडी. अबे ये क्या बकवास कर रहे हो? मैं नहीं हाई फाइव दे रहा इस चीज पे यार. तुम
So clearly I'm not into animals or northern lights. Now I am maybe. Anyway, so 11th day tak I was just very out of it. And I woke up in the morning and I was like, मुझे कहीं नहीं जाना. And that day he had booked some horse riding gig. And I am not into animals like that. And horse riding, I thought horse riding होगा, हम घोड़े पे बैठेंगे और वो चलाएंगे घोड़े को. मेरे को बस बैठना है. We went
लावा फील्ड्स के ऊपर,
there.
आइसलैंडिक लावा फील्ड्स के ऊपर,
We went there,
आइसलैंडिक
there were
घोड़े.
10 of us. And then they said, बैठ जाओ और खुद चलाओ घोड़े को. And I got scared, Gursimran. They said that we'll teach you 5 commands so you can navigate your own horses. And one command was that if the horse is going too fast, you pull that leash, whatever you call it,
हाँ.
and you say ho, ho, you say ho. And I'm looking at Gursimran and I'm like, अगर मुझे कुछ हुआ तो देखना तू गुरसिमरन, आई विल नेवर टॉक टू यू. तू मुझे हॉर्स राइडिंग ले आया है.
बहुत खूबसूरत लावा फील्ड्स थी आइसलैंडिक, बहुत ही खूबसूरत.
तुझे आते हैं घोड़े चलाने?
पर नहीं आते मुझे, मेरे को बस इतना पता है कि बहुत खूबसूरत था. वंस इन लाइफ टाइम एक्सपीरियंस है. आइसलैंडिक घोड़े आर नॉट अलाउड टू बी एक्सपोर्टेड आउट ऑफ आइसलैंड, पता है? इट इज
देखो उनको, उनके ऊपर बैठना क्यों है? उनको घास खिलाओ, उनसे बातें करो, उनके ऊपर बैठ के व्हाई डू यू हैव टू राइड दोस हॉर्सेस? एनीवे, अब हम बैठ गए उसके ऊपर और हम चल रहे हैं, बस हम चला रहे हैं घोड़ों को खुद. देयर इज नोबडी अराउंड अस हु इज लाइक हेल्पिंग अस विद इट. एंड आफ्टर हाफ एन आवर, oh my god, there was a group of cyclists that entered that field, a family. And now animals have animal instincts.
Oh, really? Oh, अच्छा, I didn't
Amazing
know.
fact.
I didn't know.
I learned that day. That day. Because वो साइकिल्स 100 की स्पीड में चल रही होंगी या जो भी था. मेरा
100 की
घोड़ा,
स्पीड पे साइकिल.
तू बता दे कौन सी
पहले
स्पीड
टाइगर श्रॉफ चला रहा था क्या 100 की स्पीड पे साइकिल?
स्पीड में यार बहुत तेज थे.
गियर वाली होगी.
बिकॉज एनिमल इंस्टिंक्ट्स उनके किक इन हो गए. सबसे पहले मेरे घोड़े के ही उसको हो गया कि मैं तो रेस करूंगा, मैं साइकिल से तेज भागूंगा. एंड माय हॉर्स फ्लिप्ड. आई वाज सिटिंग ऑन इट एंड वो ऐसे ऊपर कूदा.
खुदा गवाह मोमेंट. फुल खुदा
I'm
गवाह.
like, he's not stopping. I'm trying to pull the
Forget
leash. And I'm saying, ho, this is all I know. Not stopping. And those are lava fields. There is mountains all around. And after seeing my horse all the other horses,
Including mine.
including his, they all went batshit crazy. They lost their minds and they were all chasing these cyclists.
I am behind her. और मैं देख रहा हूँ क्योंकि इसका वेट तो कुछ है नहीं, ये तो फ्लाई वेट है, घोड़े के ऊपर ये ऐसे हिल रही है, ठीक है, ये जैसे आलू की बोरी नहीं रखी होती घोड़े के ऊपर, ऐसे
Yeah.
ऐसे. ब्रो उसके बाद जो तुम स्लो मोशन में गिरे हो,
क्योंकि आई सॉ आगे एक ब्रिज था, अगर मैं वो नहीं छोड़ती लीश तो वो ब्रिज से मेरा
सर
सर
टकरा
लग
जाता.
जाता एंड आई डोंट नो व्हाट वुड हैव हैपेंड. सो आई जस्ट लेफ्ट दैट लीश एंड आई जस्ट रोल्ड डाउन दोस लावा फील्ड्स एंड थैंक्स टू पार्का आई गॉट सेव्ड बिकॉज देयर वाज सो मच कुशनिंग. बट देयर वाज वन गर्ल इन आवर टीम हु ब्रोक हर रिब्स.
रिबिया. मुझे बस इतना याद है कि उस मोमेंट पे मुझे लगा था कि हनीमून पे ही तुम्हारा क्रिस्टोफर रीव्स मोमेंट हो गया है.
मैंने बहुत अच्छी एक्टिंग करी थी उस मोमेंट में भी मेरा प्रेजेंस ऑफ माइंड मुझे कुछ लगी नहीं है. एंड आई एम लुकिंग एट गुरसिमरन, आई एम सेइंग एक्टिंग कर, पैसे वापस मिलने चाहिए इसके पूरे. वॉकिंग ऐसे जिंजरली, बहुत दर्द हो रहा है, रिमेंबर.
साले फटी हुई थी तेरी पहले,
20-30 हजार.
उसके
I was in
बाद
shock. उसके
Yeah,
बाद
you
I
were
was
in
like,
shock.
okay, let's get our refund,
Yeah,
money
yeah.
refunded, obviously.
बट देखो जो पार्का की तुमने बिचिंग करी थी उसमें जो तुमने मेरे साथ उस टाइम पे आर्गुमेंट करी थी कि मेरे को नहीं पार्का भी नहीं चाहिए, मेरे को ये पार्का पहन के पक गई हूँ, उसी पार्का ने बचाया तुम्हें.
But the other side to it is also that the universe was telling me to not leave the hotel that day. Why do you think I was, so I was like in such a bad mood?
Is this the moment when you were crying and suddenly you stopped to observe how you look? Was this the moment in the middle of
Yeah,
your shock
because
phase?
as an actor, we need to know, how we are looking when we are crying and how it actually feels when you're in an intense moment and when you're like crying. And so when I was crying, I was like, oh shit, I need to observe myself right now. And I want to see how my eyes are, how my face is, what I'm feeling, how my body is, because this is what I will use when I have to act.
जब हम आर्ग्यू करते हैं तुम करते हो ऐसे रुक के सडनली तुम अपने आप को मिरर में
कभी
देखने की?
तू नहीं करता?
नहीं. I want to just wrap up this part of the episode and go, in our 8 years, if you had to summarize what we've learned about fighting, now we should go into Gyan mode, right? Because we have to give educational content. हमारी fights का dirty linen तो हमने wash कर लिया public में. What have you learned about fighting in general or fighting with me that you implement now? Has that made you a better person?
One is that I think it's okay. It's not fighting is okay as long as, like I said, कि वो resolution होनी चाहिए.
Resolution, not winning.
Not winning. It's not about winning, because if it becomes about winning, then there is no end to it.
End to it.
So that is one. It's not healthy to keep arguing over silly things because
Yeah.
we only have so much time in a day.
Correct.
And like this is something which you and I have also discussed. That we have so many things to do in life. Why are we spending and wasting our time crying over things which just make no sense?
Correct.
And the person, if that person loves you, they will love you for who you are, however you are. Have that much faith in yourself and have, believe
मुझे
in
लगा था
yourself.
तुम एक लाइन का आंसर
नहीं,
दोगे,
मैंने
but
तो बहुत कुछ वही तो
हाँ,
मैं बोल रही हूँ,
और तो जो
introspect-
मुझे जो बकवास करी गई है स्टार्टिंग ऑफ दिस पॉडकास्ट में कि तुमने तो मैंने एक सवाल पूछा था तुम कहाँ का कहाँ
इसको
ले गए.
इंट्रोस्पेक्शन इन लाइफ बोलते हैं, गुरसिमरन.
Let us take this again. ये हम फिर से रख देते हैं. What have you learned about fighting?
So one, I have learned that fighting is okay as long as it leads to resolution. Then it's not about winning.
Very good. Cut.
अरे
Cut.
तूने क्या सीखा है, तू बता.
Sleep in arguments is very important. And if it's okay, do not be guilted into not sleeping by your partner just because they want to continue
But this
debating.
I have learned that it's okay if your partner sleeps. इसका end of the world नहीं हो जाएगा. Sometimes some people take time to process, some people don't. Both the people should understand and meet each other halfway.
Yes.
Like this is what I tell him, that यार लड़ रहे हैं तो प्यार तो नहीं खत्म हो रहा ना. तो विश तू समझता नहीं है कभी कभी ना, बिकॉज तू मीन हो जाता है. सो ओके, डोंट रिजॉल्व योर फाइट्स, बट एटलीस्ट यू कैन स्लीप बाय सेइंग ओके, लेट्स टॉक अबाउट दिस टुमारो, आई स्टिल लव यू,
Yeah.
एवरीथिंग इज ओके, एंड एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा.
That's true.
धीरे धीरे यू बिकम मोर
That's
सिक्योर
true.
योरसेल्फ.
And the day you are unable to resolve things, there is always divorce
Baba
court.
International. You said divorce?
I said divorce court. You said Baba International.
Yeah, I thought butter chicken खाएंगे ठीक हो जाएगा सब कुछ.
I said the day you can't resolve it. Alright guys, for like, share and subscribe to our channel. अब वो क्या handles हैं मुझे खुद नहीं याद आ रहे, तो हम post में डाल देंगे जो भी exact spelling वगैरह है ना. तुम भी बोलो, खांसना बंद कर यार. Like, share, subscribe बोलो.
ये मत कर, वो मत कर, जी मत.
Like, share and subscribe.
I still have so many fights that I want to talk to you about. So maybe we can do another
We'll do
episode
part
on
2.
this.
We'll do part 2 of
With
fighting.
your fights. We'll
dirty-
analyze your fights
Actually,
also.
हाँ, more we should call more dirty linen. I think ये वाला ही अच्छा आएगा. Okay, thank you very much. See you next time.